Hello everyone, it's Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and I have been cleaning the pool today, so I'm not camera worthy, so I'm just going to do it like this. I'm participating in Sharon's collab today, and Sharon's channel name is Creative Glam. The name of this is the 2019 Summer Coastal Vignette. The rules for the challenge are: it has to be home decor, and it has to be coastal themed. Coastal, beachy, that type thing. So I'm very happy to participate today. I actually already had all the items on hand as I was planning on doing some coastal DIYs, so this was perfect timing, Sharon. I thank you so much for hosting this collaboration, and I'm excited to participate. I will link Sharon's channel below in the description box. I will also provide a link to the playlist so you can see what all the other participants have come up with today. So let's get on with the DIY, and then I'll show you the final project. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm working on a DIY for a challenge that's coming up. It's a coastal decor challenge, and I have most of it put together already. This is the only DIY I'm going to do, and I saw this on YouTube somewhere, and I cannot remember where because it's been a while, but I'm going to make a flip-flop to go into my DIY. And these are actually just 2 wood pieces, and I got them at Walmart. I think they come in a pack of 6. I don't know how much they are. I do know I got them on clearance for $2. But they're just little wood pieces, and I started painting, and then I realized I really need to show you guys. And I did round off the corners. They were square. I used my electric sander, and so now I'm going to go ahead and paint the other one. I'm just giving them a coat of white paint just on the top. I'm only going to use one in my challenge, but I thought I'd go ahead and do 2 since I had 2 pieces of the wood left. Go ahead and use it up, and maybe I'll put it around the house somewhere. And we can work on this one. It's ready, it's dry. Just going to use some of this tape. It's painter's tape. That piece is all crinkled up. I'd really like some that's a little bit smaller than this, but this will have to do. Alright, now see what other kind of paint I would like to use. So this is Apple Barrel, and it's Parrot Blue. That's what I'll be using. And like I said, guys, this does not have to be perfect at all. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna let that get good and dry before I take the tape off, and we'll let this one dry really good before we paint it. And I'll be back. Alright guys, it should be dry, so let's see what we got. Okay guys, so what I'm doing is I've cut down a large piece of the nautical rope and then a small piece of the jute. And the large piece will go under the small piece. The small piece will kind of loop over right there in the middle. I'll glue that down, and then I'll glue each edge of the large piece down and try to not lay it flat, kind of loop it a little bit. And this is what it should look like. I am cutting that down a little bit, and I will hot glue that end over and then glue down the other 2 sides. And here's what it should look like. I think this turned out cute and it will look good in my vignette. So here's what I've come up with, guys. This box I picked up a couple weeks ago from Dollar General. It says "Sail Away With Me," I believe, on the top. And I've just included some decorative balls, some greenery. There's the little flip-flop. There's a sign that says "This Way to Lazy Days," a seahorse, and the seahorses and the little captain's wheel on the front of the mason jar came from Dollar Tree, and I just painted those white. There's also that mason jar with some of the string lights in it, some flowers. There's also a small blue bottle in there, and I did roll up a page of a book and stick in, just like a bottle with a letter in it. So guys, I think this turned out cute. Thank you, Sharon, for hosting this challenge. I really enjoyed putting this together, and I'm sure I'm going to leave it sitting here for a while. I do like the look of it. I'll show you a picture of it with the lights off, and here it is. Those candlesticks that I have back there, they're usually sitting there anyway, and I just left them to add to the piece. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And I would like to thank my subscribers for continuing to support me. If you like this video and you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.